Hey everybody, how's it going? We're here at the ProX booth at InfoComm 2026. My name is Sam.
I'm Mr. X, Gabriel from ProX. Nice to meet you. So we have a brand new product, Sam. It's a great, well-made product. Can I have a microphone?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. So this product made by a company called HOF, and we are one of their exclusive distributors in the United States and Canada. So HOF is a German engineer, German company that they come up with so many beautiful ideas, and they are one of the best actually in this industry. So this is called the pre-rig truss. The pre-rig truss is something that you make your selections, make your setup before you go to the show, and they have a patent. They have a lot of patents, Sam, on this product, which it makes it very unique in this industry. The first thing that is very special about this product is the rotating forks over here. So with the rotating forks, as you may know, the trusses has a deflection. So you could defeat the deflection with the rotating fork. Also, you could use the same rotating fork, which is patented by them. You could have a different angles in your stage as well. Another nice feature about this product is a folding dolly over here, which they came up with a very brilliant idea. This bars folds in, and it's a great for the transporter, so you could put the dollies on top of each other. We do have them available in the 5 feet, 8 feet, and 10 feet, or maybe 12 feet later on. But really, it's a great engineered product, and we have few customers that they love this product too. Very nice loading. It's a great product for the production use. Check out more information about this HOF truss, Puric HOF truss at our website proxdirect.com. Thank you, Sam.